Analyzing the GRE Argument Prompt. A deep dive. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Today, we'll be diving into a crucial aspect of the GRE essay writing, understanding the argument prompt. Whether you're preparing for the GRE or just curious about essay prompts, this guide will provide insights to help you navigate with confidence. Let's get started. The argument prompt on the GRE presents a short passage that discusses an issue or a scenario. Your task is not to agree or disagree, but rather to analyze the reasoning behind the argument. In other words, you'll need to identify strengths and weaknesses in the argument presented. 1. Claim. This is the main point or assertion the author is making. 2. Evidence. These are the reasons, examples, or data points given to support the claim. 3. Assumptions. Often not stated explicitly, these are the underlying beliefs or principles taken for granted in the argument. While the claim and evidence are generally provided in the prompt, the assumptions require critical thinking to identify. 1. Read the prompt carefully. Before diving into analysis, make sure you fully understand what's being presented. 2. Identify the claim. Spot the main assertion the author is making. 3. List the evidence. Enumerate the points given in support of the claim. 4. Spot the assumptions. Think critically about the unstated beliefs or principles the author might be taking for granted. 5. Evaluate the strengths and weaknesses. How convincing is the argument? Where does it falter? Let's consider a hypothetical argument prompt. People who consume coffee daily are more productive at work. This is evident from the fact that the most industrious departments in our company have the highest coffee consumption. 1. Claim. People who drink coffee daily are more productive. 2. Evidence. The most industrious departments in the company consume the most coffee. 3. Assumptions. 4. Coffee consumption directly leads to higher productivity. 5. There are no other factors contributing to the productivity of these departments. By breaking the argument down this way, we can see potential areas where the argument might be weak. For instance, could there be other reasons for the productivity of those departments? Is coffee the direct cause? And there you have it. Analyzing the argument prompt on the GRE doesn't have to be daunting. By understanding its structure and critically examining its components, you can approach these prompts with confidence and clarity. We hope this video shed light on the topic for you. Best of luck with your GRE preparation, and keep nurturing your love for the English language.